everyone! Today I am going to be showing you an easy way to do your own eyelash extensions. So disclaimer, I've never actually been professionally taught, or I'm not a lash technician, so everything I do probably isn't going to be professionally right, but this way works for me. I did it before and they turned out really pretty. It was pretty cheap. I bought everything on Amazon, which is where you guys can get everything, and the application process honestly isn't very hard. If you want to do it at home, especially during quarantine because you really can't go out and do anything anyways, keep watching and I will show you guys all the products that I'm going to use. So for the first product I got off Amazon, I got these lashes. So this is what they look like. That's what they look like up close. The next thing you're gonna need is eyelash extension glue. I got this called Lash. So it comes in this little tube, eyelash extension glue, and then honestly the last thing you really need is tweezers. So I just have these, they're just normal tweezers. I did get two other things just because I saw them on Amazon. These, which you're probably like, what the heck are those? These are little, it's like a little ring. There's a place that you can put the eyelash extension glue, so you can put it in here. And then, so when you're doing it, it's just easier. You can just dip your eyelashes in there. You don't have to do that. You could always just use a paper plate or something like that. That's what I did first. Next thing that I got are these spoolies. I got these spoolies just because I like to separate my lashes in the morning and at night, so I just kind of brush them, and when I'm doing my lashes, I like to separate them. That's all you need. You really just need these three though. Let's do this. So my camera is placed here. I'm gonna use this mirror, and I really hope that you guys are able to see my eyelashes. So also, I'm gonna do a before so you can see my eyelashes before.
Easy, get caught up in a maybe, I don't really mind waiting.
Before I start, I'm just gonna show you guys what I'm doing. There are different millimeters that these lashes have. I think it's hard to see, but there's 8mm on the top, and I think it goes all the way to 15 millimeters. So I really focus with mostly the 14 and the 13 on the outsides of my eyes, and then I go more towards the 10, 9, and 8 for the inner corner of my eye, but I will show you as I go. I'm gonna take my professional eyelash extension glue, and I am going to put it in this little, oh shoot, I already messed up. I'm gonna put a couple drops in ring thing. I'm gonna take my lashes. I usually start with the outside, so I'm gonna start with grabbing a couple of 14 and applying that to the outside of my eye. Also, when I grab them, I don't like to grab just one because that would take forever, so I grab like a couple. This is so tiny, but this is like 2 or 3 lashes together. I'm gonna dip the lashes. I actually like to apply them below my eye instead of trying to get it on top. I go from underneath. And also make sure that you don't apply it to your eyelids. You want to apply it to your actual eyelashes. I'm gonna start
even when I'm not at home with me, daydreaming about in the...
As you can see, there's the first couple on the outside. Disclaimer, this stuff makes my eyes water a little bit. I think it's because, you know, obviously when you do your eyelash extensions with a professional, wow, this is like really close. But when you do your eyelash extensions with a professional, you're supposed to have your eyes closed. So again, this isn't life or death for me, but it's my eyes water a little. Next, I'm gonna take another 14. Okay, I'm gonna take another 14, another clump of the 14. So again, I have a couple eyelashes. I'm gonna dip it in the glue and apply it to the outside.
Maybe I don't really mind waiting.
I'm gonna speed this up, but basically right now, keep taking the 14, grabbing a couple of them, and then go again from underneath and glue them on. I will show you when I'm gonna change the size.
Yeah. Oh baby, we could just be lazy, get caught up in a maybe, I don't really mind waiting. Oh, I know you've been caught up in your homework, racing back to class in all my t-shirts, mind waiting. Oh, sorry that
I'm gonna do 12mm now in the middle. So we're gonna do 12mm in the middle because it's gonna look a little bit more natural, so they're not super long in the middle.
voicing all your sentiments. Let's just.
I'm gonna keep doing that with the 12mm.
I can't wait to see your face. I can't wait to see your face, baby, baby. We could just be lazy, lazy. Get caught up in a maybe, maybe. I don't really mind waiting.
Now that we got most of the outside and a lot of the inside, some people might want like more lashes, but I kind of like, I guess, long but natural kind of extensions. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go in with the 10mm, and with the 10mm I'm gonna do the inner part of my eye right here.
I was thinking about you and the things that you do. A picture perfect moment of a California view. The color of your eyes and the Malibu skies paint the walls of my mind. We were running through the hills, searching for a couple thrills, trying to keep it on the real with your.
Start doing the inside, and I honestly just use the top one. I just use the 8mm just because it's the shortest. See, we're starting now to fill in there, and then I'm gonna fill in this gap right here with 11.
I could spin forever next to you, watching and feeling all the colors bloom.
So this is my one eye pretty much done. I know it's not completely perfect. I know there's some overlapping and I could do more in here, but for the most part, I just think it's really pretty and it is kind of natural, like it's not super crazy. I'm going to do my lashes on this side and I'm gonna do it the same exact way, and then I'm gonna show you guys at the end what everything looked like and kind of do some before and after shots.
One eternity later.
So I just finished both lashes. I'll show you zoomed in.
Watching and feeling all the colors bloom. Oh,
As you can see, I did my top lashes. Now I'm gonna quick put on some bottom mascara. So that's it for today. I did a sort of natural lash, not perfect. I'm still learning on how to do it. This is only my second try, but it is nice because, again, I don't have to spend money. I can do it. They stay for like a couple weeks and just wake up with lashes like this and go to bed with lashes like this. So it's really nice. Hopefully the technique I showed you helps and it kind of makes sense so you guys can have your own beautiful lashes. So thank you so much for watching and I hope you guys all have a great day. Bye!